we might end up losing all our popcorns in this exercise. That is what happens when you, as a bakery business, run to purchase equipment based on price. You do not consider technical specifications, and therefore you end up losing all your profits in maintaining the equipment and paying power bills. That is how bakery businesses are not able to grow fast enough in Kenya, and some of them are struggling. There are many factors, but equipment contribute to two things: energy saving capabilities, maintenance costs. These two are determined by the quality of equipment, and quality equipment cannot be cheap. And that is why Bakewave has gone into an extra mile to provide you very high quality equipment. We've reviewed each of these equipment: prover, rotary ovens, cake mixers, rotary oven, dough mixer, convection oven, deck ovens, in all our videos on YouTube. Go to Bakewave TV and you'll find a series which is titled Why Bakery Businesses Are Shutting Down in Kenya. We have 5-part series already posted there. Go also on TikTok under Bakewave Machines. You'll see 3 pinned videos talking about how that is possible. The reason is, one machine, small machine like this, if you bought the wrong version of it, you would end up spending close to 400,000 shillings in about a span of 5 years. That is just one machine. Assume you have a set of all these 5-6 machines. It will run to millions of shillings. Now, that money should have been used to buy more stock, to produce more products for sale, or to acquire more machines to double or triple your production. And that's why 2 bakeries will start with the same budget, but in 5 years, one will grow to production capacity of 50,000 in a day, whereas another will just stagnate, still producing 1,000 loaves. In these times of crisis, bakery owners and bakery businesses cannot do the same things the same way and think that they can be able to survive. They have to take bold steps, and that first step involves the type of equipment that you need, that you are buying. But there are other factors like management, style of how they sell their product, the type of product, the market they are in. But the machine issue is the top 2 big challenges that are bedeviling bakeries in Kenya. So in these times of crisis, where the cost of fuel, cost of raw materials have tripled over the last 3 years, you need to see, as a bakery owner, where can I save and where can I save so that you can survive and thrive in this crisis. Whereas others are failing, it will be easy for you because you are saving millions of shillings in a span of 5 years that will be used to expand and grow your bakery. That is why go to our website. You'll see all these specifications, www.bakewave.co.ke. Go to Bakewave TV on YouTube. You'll see 5-part series entitled Why Businesses Are Shutting Down. Also go on TikTok, Bakewave Machines. You'll see all these have been explained under Why Bakeries Are Shutting Down, 5-part series. Remember, that 5-part series involve machine we've done and dusted. We are going from series number 6, Why Bakeries Are Shutting Down, to series number 10. There are factors that are not involving machines. So stay tuned and watch, because we are creating a 10-part series. Check these videos, give us your comments. Have you experienced this? What do you think? Please, we need your feedback, because we need to have an honest conversation, because we need to set up sustainable bakery businesses in Kenya. Remember, this year alone, Bakewave has set up so many successful bakeries. We'll be sharing some of the stories from our clients in the next months. You need to watch out this, because yes, people are complaining, but there is a way to set up and to survive and thrive in such an economic crisis. Thank you so much for your support all over all the platforms. We look forward to your comments.